What's up, guys? Drone worship in your face. I'm down here at my favorite flying spot. I wanted to talk about this. The Spark is a great tiny drone. It's for the most part it's quiet enough that if you're in kind of a crowded area, it's not really going to be a nuisance due to loud, sound level, stuff like that. It's very small, it's portable. It gets some good flight distance, but is this good with the rules that we currently have in LOS? A lot of people ask me why I still fly bigger drones, and the fact of the matter is, I can't see this once it reaches 1,000 feet out. I can take my 3DR Solo, any one of my larger platforms that I have, and fly them almost a complete mile away and still see it, and understand orientation by turning left or right watching it on the horizon. Can't do that with this. This is breaking all the rules, man. That's basically what this is. You fly it, halfway across this little pond here that I'm at, and guess what? If I even take my eyes off it for a sec, I'm never going to find this thing again. DJI, I have to give them a little credit because over time they've started making the bottoms of these black instead of all white drones. Like the whole Phantom lineup was all white. It was actually really pathetic that they were doing that because even the Phantom 3 Standard, it's a good sized drone, but without a body decal on it or a skin or some kind of cover, red cover that you can buy, those silicone covers and put over them, it's hard to see, man. And I don't understand why you would want to do that to a drone, really. I mean, it's not when it's being used for hobby purposes, as a hobbyist or even a commercial aspect, I don't understand the need for that. So everybody always wants to know why I prefer bigger drones, and the reason is I can see them for almost a complete mile away without any issue. I can park it in any one of these clouds that are in the sky and see it against the cloud because it's that big and it's that color. You know what I'm saying? Most of my drones I make red or black because, man, you can see it so easily. So, I don't know. What do you guys think, man? Do you think we should go smaller with drones based on our VLOS laws, like visual line of sight laws? Is it going to change? Here's another thing to think about. Is it going to change when, if Amazon ever gets their system kicked off where they can autonomously fly drone packages, are they going to be breaking the same laws that we are by doing that? And wouldn't they have to make changes to that law if on the commercial side they can just send a drone out autonomously? What's the difference with their drone going haywire and smacking someone in the head, killing somebody falling out of the sky, and ours? There isn't a difference. So if they actually start allowing Amazon package deliveries non-line of sight, they have to do it for everybody else too, otherwise it's not fair. The whole system wouldn't be fair. So I don't know, guys. What's your thoughts? I like the Spark. It's nice. It's a great friendly travel, drone, and it takes excellent footage. And now that I'm using it with Litchi, it seems to be the perfect little setup. But it's so easy to break LOS with this thing. So do I really want to go smaller? Or do I like my big ones? This is great for traveling, but if I'm doing something in my area where I want to go far out, this is not the drone I want to take. Perfect example, yesterday's beach footage. I was watching it and slowly panning, and then I looked down for a second to see where I was, and I looked back up and it was gone, and I was like, oh man. See? So what did I do? Returned to home. And as soon as I returned to home, the flight was over for me. I brought it back. I said, that's it. It's too hard to see out here. I can't do this. So, trying to follow the rules and the laws, but man, these small drones make it really difficult to do that. So what do you guys think, man? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please drop a button smash on that subscribe button. If you like what I'm talking about, or you have a comment that you'd like to put in there, put it in the description below. I'm gonna actually take this out here and fly this right now. We have this beautiful lake area that Craig Squape's drones has been wanting to come out to. Last time I tried to fly, the birds were attacking the Spark, so I'm gonna give it another shot today. Let me know what you guys think. Bigger or smaller? What's really better in your eyes? Do you see where I'm going with this? Alright guys, drone worship, I'm out. Toodaloo.